Hey everyone, I'm so excited for today's video. Today we're going to be focusing on homemade cookies. This video is for anybody who owns a cookie business and they're wanting to get more videos around their cookie business for social media. I'm so lucky to have my wife help me out with this video because I can't do both things at the same time. But this is something that you are able to do with your phone. I'm recording it all on my phone and it's going to come out beautiful. Here's the video. All right, now, all those video clips may seem like it's a lot, but it really isn't. It all has to do with planning. This is my notebook. I created a storyboard and shot list, and I'm gonna walk you through all of the steps for taking the video. Shot number 1, placing bowl. So I'm gonna do this. Ready? Go. Take them out right away. Perfect. All right, that's shot number 1. Shot number 2, panning ingredients. Shot number 3, butter in bowl. Here's literally, you're gonna go here. This side, you want it to be towards you, because that's where you're gonna flap it out. So literally I'm gonna go here, like that. It doesn't have to be, go. Perfect. Shots 4 and 5, sugar pour. Get it close, but don't pour it. Higher. And then without going down, pour it. Just tilt it, yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep. Perfect. Hold on. Go. Go. Yeah. Shots 6 and 7, egg and vanilla pour, slow-mo. Ready? Hold on. Go. Shot 8, whisk and twirl, slow-mo. Do a circular motion like around. There we go.
Hold on.
Shot 9, flour measure. Ready? Go. Perfect. I know you didn't like that. Shots 10 and 11, baking soda and salt measure pour. You're gonna lift it up and then you're gonna put it there. Ready? Go. Okay. And this one you're gonna sprinkle it.
Oh, so I'm just gonna...
No. You're gonna put it in there, but then you're gonna, hold on. Ready, go. Sprinkle it. Okay. Shots 12 and 13, bowl spin. Let's see. So it doesn't have to be a big one, it just has to be that.
Okay.
Ready? Hold on. Go. Again? Okay. Go. A little bit more. And there. Go. Perfect. Stop it up. Good. Now. Shot 14. Chocolate chips pour. Go. Go, go, go. Keep going, 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 keep going. There. Shot 15. Folding dough with chocolate chips. Slow-mo. Keep going. Keep doing those circular motions. Keep doing that, yeah. Keep going, I'm gonna go in. Shot 16. Placing dough on baking sheet. Okay. I'm gonna go. It's gonna be hard because usually you would want to go like this. Right? So, I'm gonna go. Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Go now. Final shot. Cookie plate. Go. Take a cookie and the milk and walk away to your left. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun putting that video together and even more so eating the cookies. Not so much the dishes, but anyways, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you get that notification once it's up. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.